The 2021 Jeep Compass is a product of a brand with a long legacy. At the start of World War II, what would become the Jeep was designed as an Army Scout car. After the war, Willys began producing a civilian Jeep, CJ. Willys also introduced a Jeep wagon and pickup. In 1953, Willys was acquired by Kaiser Manufacturing. Kaiser introduced the Wagoneer in 1963. Since 1969, the Jeep brand has belonged to American Motors, Daimler Chrysler and Fiat Chrysler. The Compass, a crossover SUV, debuted in 2007. The original Compass was a car masquerading as a Jeep. When Fiat bought Chrysler, CEO Sergio Marchionne overhauled the Jeep line, including the Compass. Based on the 2020 Compass, the following year's model will strongly resemble the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Front-wheel drive will be standard, and four-wheel drive will be optional. Unavailable on the Compass, sun and wheel and trailhook opting for four-wheel drive will add $1,500 to the price of the Altitude, High Altitude, Latitude Limited, and Sport packages trim levels. The Compass Sport and Latitude will have a 6-speed stick shift. All other Compass models will have a 6-speed automatic with a 9-speed automatic in the trailhook. The warranty period will be 3 years, 36,000 miles, with free roadside assistance for 5 years. Front and side impact airbags for the driver and passenger will be standard on Compass models. Those in the front and back seats will be protected by an overhead airbag. A group of 120 owners gave the Compass a 3.9 out of 5 stars rating. There were complaints about the lack of a spare tire and the instrument cluster, including difficulty seeing the speedometer. One owner reported having to add 3 quarts of oil every 5,000 miles. 83% of owners are satisfied with their Compass. The one complaint that otherwise satisfied owners had was with the Compass's performance. There were recurring complaints about people being left stranded because their Compass wouldn't start. Receiving 35 miles to the gallon contributed to owner satisfaction. The Compass was judged based on 6 criteria and received the highest rating in the categories of comfort and exterior styling. 17% of those surveyed would not recommend the Compass to potential buyers. A major change to the 2021 Compass will likely affect European and Asian buyers. There are claims that Fiat Chrysler is testing Compasses equipped with 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesels that produces 192 horsepower, adding pep to a vehicle that wants for performance. Towing capacity will double to 2,000 pounds. If reports are accurate, diesel Compasses will not be offered in North America. The median invoice price for the Jeep Compass is lower than the Ford Escape's median invoice price. The Escape gets better mileage in the city and on the highway. The only engine offered in the Compass is a gas-powered straight 4, where the Ford offers gas, hybrid, and electric hybrid power plants. Though the difference is minor, Escape offers more head and legroom. Seating and cargo capacity for both vehicles is the same, but the 2021 Ford Escape is the better choice for towing. Both come with the standard 336,000 warranty. If you're looking for a lower median invoice price, the Compass beats the 2021 Toyota RAV4 by $2,777. The RAV4's 25 to 26 miles per gallon city, 33 to 35 city, beats Compass in both categories by 3 miles per gallon. Inside, the Jeep is more capacious than the Toyota. The RAV4 is wider and the Compass is longer. The RAV4 is quicker in getting the power to the pavement than the Compass. The median invoice prices for the 2021 Honda CR-V is higher than that of the Jeep Compass. In terms of mileage, the CR-V goes 3 miles further on a gallon of gas both in town and on the open road. The Compass wins in the category of front seat head and legroom, and the CR-V wins when it comes to the backseat room. The Jeep's tighter turning radius makes it more maneuverable than the Toyota, but the Toyota's engine is more powerful. The CR-V offers more storage space. The 2020 Compass will accommodate 5 passengers with 27.2 feet of cargo space. The Compass will tow up to 1,000 pounds. The only engine Compass offers is a 2.4-liter i4 rated for 180 horsepower. Fuel consumption is 23 city, 32 highway with the standard transmission. Based on release dates for previous versions, the 2021 Compass should appear in dealerships in the fall of 2020. On the low end, the projected selling price will be $29,650 and on the high end $44,700.